Mission in mind, Massillon's mayor remains laser focused on reviving the former Affinity Medical Center.
Yeah, but at the same time, the hospital's closure last month has helped a local homeless shelter continue its mission. And News 5's Jordan Vandenberg is live in Massillon tonight. Hey, Jordan.
How you doing? Affinity's closure was undoubtedly a big deal here for the folks in Massillon, and the mayor remains committed to having the hospital reopened. But in a way, the hospital is still helping people today.
Hey, buddy, come here and sit down here. I want to talk to you.
It's high noon, and Pastor Don Bartow,
how's it doing? Okay, that's wonderful.
Makes his rounds.
Does this help you a lot?
Yes, it does.
Even at 89, he's cheerful and spry.
Just sit down.
But today, after the latest major donation, he's downright giddy.
A lot of food, and we also got a lot of things that are very practical.
The Total Living Center serves a meal every single day.
We do a lot of feeding, believe me.
It never really closes, much like a hospital, except when it does, for good.
We've dealt with, the closing. Now we need to move forward.
Citing years of unprofitability, Affinity Medical Center closed last month, but an 11th-hour deal will put the property under city control later this month. Massillon Mayor Kathy Catazaro Perry, a nurse herself, has made reopening the hospital priority one.
I am not going to rest until we have a hospital.
The city has sent 40 memos to medical groups to gauge interest in whether they'd want to take over the facility.
I see opportunity.
And there has been some response, the mayor says.
Still having inpatient beds, still having cardiovascular services, a general OR. Those things are important to Western Star County.
When Affinity closed, it left hundreds unemployed and healthcare in the area in critical condition. But before it passed for good, it made sure to write the Total Living Center in its will.
What Affinity gave to us probably would cost about $30,000 if we had to buy it. I regret Affinity closing, but since it closed, I'm glad they remembered us.
Affinity may not be helping patients anymore, but at least it's helping him help them.
Thank you so much.
And Massillon city officials tell me that they actually toured this facility late last week, and they said when the hospital moved out, they actually left the building in immaculate condition. Reporting live in Massillon tonight, Jordan Vandenberg, News 5.